Hi, it's Leslie in Tennessee, and today is the day to harvest those beautiful Yukon Gold potatoes out of the Mel's Mix. I planted this bed on March 4. Today is May 29. So they're in that 80 to 90 day range. Normally you would let the potato tops die back more than this, but we've got some rain coming in for a few days, and I think I just want to go ahead and get them out of the garden before it gets really wet. So let's take a look, and I've harvested a few here already, but I want you to see just how easy it is to harvest potatoes, even when they have a delicate skin on them, from the Mel's Mix. Let's pull these back, and I'm just going to give them a rip, just like this. And so we've got some beautiful potatoes. I am going to be careful with them because Yukon Golds do have delicate skin to begin with, and these are delicate. But not having to use a fork to harvest is a real blessing when you're dealing with delicate potatoes. So I'm just going to dig around a little bit inside here and see if there's anything else ready to come up. Let's see. There's another one. You can see just how easy this is to work. And it is an investment to get the Mel's Mix in the ground, but once it's in, you don't have any large equipment and you don't have nearly as much work as you would with a traditional in-ground garden. All right, let's see. Guess I'm all the way to the end here now. Let me go ahead and pull this. Oh my, let's see. I'm not sure if I've got two here or one. Let's go ahead and get these all delicate, beautiful Yukon Golds. They're going to be so buttery and delicious. This one has a little bit of a split, but it looks like it's kind of healed over. And now, because the mix is so soft, I don't have to worry about using a fork and damaging the potatoes. Let's see. Got some little ones. These are the gourmet ones that you pay twice the price for at the grocery store, right? Oh, here they come. Just keep falling out all over the place. And then I'm going to dig around a little bit in the mix and see what we can do. You can see here that the landscape fabric does a wonderful job of keeping even the Bermuda grass out of the bed. Now I did bring them inside the bed and up. So we've got some that's trying to sneak in this way, but they're easy to pull out and they're not getting right into my grow mix, which is precisely what I wanted. Let's see. Oh, we got more under here. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I can feel some more. Beautiful growing mix. See what other treasures in here. This reminds me of Bible study. You know, things look very beautiful on the surface, but then when you dig deep, there's even more treasures to be found in the soil when you're digging potatoes, and in God's Word. Rich treasures. So dig deep. Oh my, that was a lovely one right there. Let me go ahead and do one more for you. I won't keep you doing the whole bed. We did not have hardly any problem at all with insect pests in this bed. which was a huge blessing right there. Let's turn this over delicately so as not to... Got our little gourmet ones under here. We'll go for these bigger ones. Potatoes are so easy to plant, and many people like to what they call chit the potatoes before they plant them. So they would cut them and then let them set for a couple of days until they kind of scab over a little bit, and that should help with the any kind of disease or funguses coming in on the cut potato. I did not have time to do that this year, so I cut them and I put them in, and with God's grace we have a beautiful harvest here. You can feel them all under here. Very careful with them. It takes a little while for the skins on potatoes to kind of toughen up. And I will spread these out a little bit after I get them all harvested. I think I'm going to need to clean my watch. Should have taken that off. Okay. All right, should we do one more together? Let's do one more. It's so fun to harvest potatoes. Sweet, if you haven't seen my sweet potato harvest video, you should check that one out. In a bed that's about a little over 2 feet wide by 13 feet, we got about 220 pounds of sweet potatoes. So, potatoes are a great calorie crop. If you want to be self-efficient and grow more of your own food, we can't live on cucumbers and tomatoes. Not very well anyway. As delicious and nutritious as they are, we need something with more calories. So growing potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, beans, especially dried beans, you'll get some good calorie crops and you'll broaden your nutrition profile as well. All right, let's see. I'm going to dig down and see what treasure is beneath the soil. Got just a few little weeds coming up, but not many. They pull out really easily in Mel's mix. Very easy to get the weeds out. This bed is about 8 inches deep. And we have, I hope I've tagged, we have landscape fabric and 1/4-inch hardware cloth underneath this bed because we were having problems with voles eating the potatoes and our sweet potatoes. So although it was another investment, we decided to go ahead and take the soil out of our beds and put in the 1/4-inch hardware fabric. And we have not had an issue with voles getting our products anymore. We get to eat them all. I don't mind sharing with my neighbors, but I'm not too crazy about sharing with the voles. Okay. Oh, missed one over here. This is almost as much fun as watching the new little seeds come up through the earth after you planted them. Lots of fun. All right. Well, I'm going to continue harvesting and let you get back to whatever you were doing. But remember, you were created to live in the garden, and it's in this place that we can find a whole lot of joy. God bless.